Surfing is considered to be one of the most difficult sports in the world. Constantly changing environmental elements make for a very steep learning curve that can often discourage individuals that are new to the sport. The goal of our project is to give learners that extra push that will make it easier to catch good waves and make surfing a more enjoyable experience overall.
The main idea of our project is to cut down excessive manual paddling through the use of a slingshot propulsion system that will push the surfer into the desired wave. The elastic bands of the slingshot will store elastic potential energy as it is loaded with tension, which will then be transferred to the surfer and surfboard when it is released through the trigger mechanism.
A pulley system will be used to increase the degree of tension that can be generated within the bands, increasing the amount of energy that can be stored and transferred. Adjacent guide rails will be placed along the path of the slingshot to provide directional control as the surfer is being accelerated. And a flat plate in the rear will provide drag to ensure that a majority of the stored energy that's transferred will be going to the surfer and not to the system itself.
Not only will our project help novice surfers by simplifying the learning process, it will also benefit coaches and instructors. Our project serves as a tool that can be used while teaching and has the potential to introduce non-surfers to the sport.
Although other solutions that attempt to address the same problem exist, they come with major limitations. Most of them rely on an electrical motor to propel the surfboard, which typically do not meet the propulsive demands of the surfer due to cost constraints.
Our solution sees sustainability through a fully mechanical system that is built with durable materials and is free of motors and other electronics, which in turn eliminates steep costs and the risk of water damage to these parts. Furthermore, it is an isolated system that can be used repeatedly to launch multiple surfers in succession.
Lastly, the oversight of our advisor remains a key piece of our design process in order for our solution to gain the traction that it needs. His input on the physics behind our system leads us to act in the right direction. Moreover, the committed contributions of each team member are an integral part of the process, as all of our goals for the final product are ambitious but well within our collective potential. Thank you guys so much for listening to our elevator pitch, and we hope you've enjoyed.